Yes.
DMX is
Right.
earning money, guys. Yeah.
Yeah. Right, guys, ladies and gentlemen. So, today is Monday, 15th of December. We're going with the updates for the TMX. Yeah, with the trading competition. There's a lot of the guys was trying to trade. Yeah, I think some guys lost, some guys win, but definitely somebody definitely gonna be the winner today. Yeah, Jake. And also, like, we just did some great win in Austria. So, like, it just was with Gottfried and Jake. So, like, we just was guys there for Saturday. Yeah, so like was the great stuff. Just like speaking about the TMX, about that, what's going in. Like so far so good. That what we have right here, guys. We know that price little bit fluctuated. Yeah, so like you can see the market, Bitcoin and like all the crypto dropped. Like I see today, Bitcoin $85,000. So Jake will gonna provide the details where the price is going. Yeah, so like also about the TMX token, and yeah, so like right now is the great time to buy if you still didn't bought it. The great time to stake, make even more. And of course, like just affiliate link is gonna be also there really soon. So like all the details gonna be provided. Yeah, Jake. Of course, competition. Who's win today? Who's won today? Let us know.
Yeah. So hello everybody. So yeah, if you can see, guys, I was this weekend. I think this was the first free weekend for me after a long time. Yeah, so I almost forgot is how to be human being and go somewhere where people are. Yeah, so it was really yeah nice for me to go to Vienna to see Gottfried, the team, and yeah, a lot of the other guys and stuff. And it was really nice place, really Christmas spirit and everything there. But yeah, as I said, I eat some good schnitzels. Yeah, drink some nice drinks. But yeah, as I said, I get new energy for this next big swing up. But yeah, as I said, from my perspective, as you can guys see during this weekend, we have one sell off into the TMX. I think this morning we already almost buy most of it. So basically, I have some of my guys coming into the market. Just let me just show you. This is my crazy chart on minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes. I will just remove all this noise for you guys. Yeah, if you can, this was over the weekend. We have this sell. So basically, if you can see, we just to recover almost everything, pumped to $17 now, holding 15, $16. I think, yeah, in a day or two we will come back into our zone from 70 to $20. Yeah, so basically, as I said, this when we have these big sell-offs, big tokens in small time, this, as I said, guys, if you want to sell, we will find you the guy who will buy it. We talked this with bigger deal. So basically, these guys could sell at $16. The cheapest was $12. So basically, we could find the guy who will buy for $15, and that's it. Yeah. So just give us the time. But as I said, please don't sell now. Now it's the momentum when we are ready. We are preparing for the next big swing. So basically for this week, what we are coming with the updates, we will open the affiliate link. If you can see, I'm in really bad trading here, minus 1,000. So I don't know. I will probably be liquidated. So TMX will be happy with me. They will get $1,200 from the Jake. Yeah. So I don't know. It looks like that I'm not so good trader. Yeah. But as I said, this week we are going with affiliate links. So basically on the Wednesday, I will announce, I will go through everything. So this is the momentum, guys. If you have community, if you have more people to bring, please bring them on. There will be really nice rewards for all of you. So this is the moment when we will start with bigger promotions to the trading groups, the trading people, and everybody. Also tomorrow we will unlock limit with $100,000. So this is 10x more for the trading and also 10x more for the losing money. So if you can see, guys, you can lose 1,000 even faster then. But yeah, as I said, we are preparing all this stuff in behind, and basically this will go live. Also, as you guys know, basically we have this leaderboard. I will give you 1 more hour until we close this Zoom, maybe 20, 30 minutes, yeah, for all guys to close the trades. Basically for the last 7 days, we have some nice wallets. Yeah, this first wallet is in some nice positions here. Second wallet, as you can see, has few losing trades, so he's out. Third wallet also losing trade, didn't close, and he's also out. So next wallet is $70. Yeah. So basically, sometimes less is more. Yeah. So basically, this guy opened the trades. Yeah, if you can see. in last 2 days. Yeah, so basically he was trading in this zone. He's taking small profits from small losses, but yeah, this is how it built his position, and he will be probably number two. There's also number three. He make also some trades here, small positions, $50, $10, some small minuses. But yeah, as I said, sometimes less is more. But what would I like to tell the guys? Let's say if you have good positions, let's say like this, who are in some minus, please hold them. Probably we will see some support now and probably push back. So let's say for the next week, for the next swing into the trades, it will be much better position for you, so you can open the trades. But yeah, as I said, from tomorrow we are opening with $100,000 per trade. So basically, we will be able to open even bigger positions to add up, maybe DCA your position. So let's say if you have now open, let's say like this trader, $4,000, you can add up maybe $20,000 position addition on this. Then you will DCA your position, lower your entry point. Yeah. So basically, this is what you can do. Maybe if you want to add up to your trades for the next swing up and for the next trading competition. But as I said, from this, as you can see, guys, basically the biggest win was mine, $343. But as you can see, this didn't help. Yeah. So basically, I'm in minus 1,000. Yeah. So as I said, when you go to leaderboard and see some top position, then you see, oh, this guy got $343. Yeah, this is good trader. Yeah. But it doesn't matter if he have one good trade. Yeah. He could have seven lows trading. Yeah. So this is the important, guys. Yeah. So basically, from this, if you can see, we can come back for losing trade. This was also me, yeah. So also I lose $900 and I have the best trade and the worst trade, yeah. So what I am then, yeah. So I'm good for this exchange because I'm giving money to exchange, yeah. So this is how exchange work, yeah. So you can be a good trader, you can have the best trade on the whole exchange, but you are still losing trader. So this is what I want to tell you guys. Basically, sometimes traders overtrade, sometimes market is manipulating. So basically, always taking some liquidity. So for this drop today, there was no any indication, no any big news. So basically, only clear sell off before next push up. They're just collecting more and more liquidity as they can, and this is what they are doing. So if you can see here, guys, from this perspective, basically worst was $900, $700, 400, 400, 400, 300. This is all minus. And look the wins, yeah. So basically wins are 300, 200, 150, 120, and then it's some 30, 50, $60. Yeah. So basically losers are much bigger. And as I said, this is always what happened with the exchanges. So people always or over trade or over put their positions back. So as I said, 90% to 95% of the traders losing the trades. But as I said, now when we have this trading competition, these guys who are in top others, who are top leaders in last 7 days, they will get their rewards. I think first reward is 2,000, second is 1,500, third is 1,000, and then we have $500 for I think third and fourth place. But yeah, as I said, this is just to give you guys more wings to start bigger trading. When we open the affiliate, we will make the bigger program. So basically, we will then focus on new traders coming to the market and everything. So we will go with bigger programs. Also, I'm working up to bring few more traders from the Twitter, from the X. So basically, they will also start promoting bigger with TMX and start making some big trades on the TMX. So as I said, we are working this out in behind. And as I said, this is the point when you guys don't want to sell TMX tokens. Yeah. So basically, this is the point when the affiliates start. That means that bigger promotions will start, more people will start coming, more traders will do trades. We are so opening 10x more trading limits. So we have now $10,000, and you can see how much of the losing we have. Yeah, there. So basically, we have losing positions for, I don't know, for the $900, $700. But you can just imagine when we have $100,000 in trading. So this is 10x more money. So you will see how bigger money will start coming into the TMX liquidity. Also more fees because we have bigger trades. So there will be, I don't know, not 20, 30, $50 trading fees per position. It will be 100, 200, 300, $500 per trading position fees. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. A lot of the good stuff is coming to the market. And as I said, we are close to the end of this year. Basically, in most of the case, we see some Christmas rally, how they call it, when people are spending the money. I think this year will be maybe a little bit tricky. They will make some rally after the Christmas. Yeah. So as I said, be prepared. Market can will attack when you are not watching. Yeah. So this is what I said. Prepare for that, because when we see some bigger push on the market, bigger go up into the market, you will see some bigger results also for us and also for the TMX, because more new liquidity will come. So if you can see from the charts, I'll just come back. This is guy Bitcoin, yeah. So basically, Bitcoin drop under this ascending triangle. So basically, Bitcoin can go even lower to $80,000. I think maybe the lowest will be if they go for liquidity this zone around 75, $76,000, maybe 68, but I think this year will not be. Yeah. So basically, maybe some try to take some liquidity with some bad news, but as I said, from this perspective, as I'm looking up, I think they will maybe go hunt this 82 to $80,000 liquidity, and then we will see the bounce up. So if you can see here, this is how they also last time prepare. So they make first swing draw, take more liquidity, grab all this liquidity back, and then they make the push up. And basically from this push up, price go to $125,000. So basically it can go to $70,000, 75, to $80,000. So basically this is how they're building position, and then they will push the new highs and basically build the position. So as I said, this is what we are looking now. Maybe we will see this kind of the drops, maybe even a little bit lower, but then they will have enough liquidity grab and they will be ready for the next swing up into the markets. And I think next price will be around $150,000 to $160,000 per Bitcoin. So as I said, this is what we are aiming on. For the Ethereum, as I said, we are still now close to this big support zone. So if you can see here, this is close to our support zone. So basically 2,700 is really strong support. So as I said, if the Ethereum come back into this zone, probably grab some liquidity, and then we will have the next swing up. So if you can see here, this was really strong position here before we see this big push up on the market. So I think, yeah, this price will hold around this area, maybe lowest 2,500 to 400. But yeah, also what we can see, we can go to high block terminal. Now we will see how Ethereum is looking up on the bigger time frame. Let's see. So as I said, this is the on the bigger time frame. So if you can see, we have still some liquidity at $2,500, but most money is here, yeah, at 5,000 per Ethereum. So as I said, this is just a matter of the time, and we will see how strong our market is now. Will it be able to hold at this area? And if we see just one more swing up to take this 2,500, I think this will be lowest of the lowest, yeah. And basically from this point, only 5,000 is next target. As you can see, this is where we take last time liquidity up. And from that moment, when we build this position, this is where the most money now holding into the Ethereum. Now I will show you with the Bitcoin. This is for the last 6 months. So as you can see, basically the most liquidity is at $130,000. This is where the most money is in Bitcoin. And we collect all liquidity down. So basically all liquidity is down. So there's almost no liquidity here. As you can see, there is blank space. So it's just a matter of the time when the Bitcoin will find some support. And from that moment, we will see this big rally to the $140,000 to $150,000. So as I said, this is what I see on the bigger time frame. We will see now on the 1 year time frame how it looks like. Yeah, so this is it. So basically, again, most of liquidity in this zone, $130,000. There is small liquidity around $70,000, but as I said, I don't think that we will go on it. Basically, all liquidity was already taken, lower, most of it, and rest liquidity is up here. So as I said, guys, this will be really fast when we go up like this, like when we take this last time, 70, I think this was 75K. When they take 75K, they just go up, yeah. So no stopping until first liquidity, then they make a little bit drop and then again collecting all this liquidity. So basically market is always going for liquidity. And when they build these positions, as you can see, this was when all new liquidity came up. And basically from this point, market just started coming, collecting all this liquidity. So basically market always go where the money is. So now, as I said, it still can go lower, but there is not too much liquidity there. So basically when we take all this lower liquidity, it will just punch to the sky and go into the higher target. So as I said, guys, prepare for this because we start with TMX here. Basically, we follow up with all this drop and we come back to $20, even more, yeah, $22, I think. So you can just imagine if we've been here and take all this up, yeah. So basically, TMX will already be around $100. So as I said, just be ready to hold this last line. So as I said, you guys remember when I speak about Ethereum, just to buy at 1,500, this is the lowest they can go now. So there is no more liquidity down there. So prepare your positions and you can take all this profit way up. And this is what's happening now. So basically we take almost all liquidity down. We need to prepare our positions now into the TMX, stake it, hold it, take as much of TMX tokens as you can into the staking. So when you see the next rally up, when you see the next big push up on the market, this is your moment, guy. And please, when it price go about, I don't know, 30, 50, $100, take limit orders. Yeah, put 100 tokens, I don't know, at $55, 100 tokens at $60. So this is how you will not take the big impact on the price and you will get the best value for your tokens. Yeah. So as I said, don't sell it now and don't sell it on limit, on market order. So this is a stupid decision, yeah, guys. So basically you will sell it cheap to some guys who will just later make the buyback, put money back and just put the price up, so you will lose possible 20, 30, maybe sometimes even 50% of your wins. Yeah. So don't be stupid in this way. And please don't sell now. Prepare your hold it, stake it, because you need to accumulate as much as you can and prepare yourself for the next win. So as I said, guys, from this, I will give you 40 more minutes. So for all guys who didn't close their trades and want to participate, so we will just go to the leaderboard. We'll go with 7 days last, and we will see who make the biggest wins there and in last 7 days. And if you have the open trades, please close them because you cannot participate with open trade. Basically, this guy get only minus $14. So basically, I think he will be able to go. But yeah, with this bigger losing trades amount, you can wait for the next thing up and prepare yourself for the next push up. Yeah. So as I said, guys, be ready. And also you need to have 5 trades in the last 7 days minimum. We will also check this out and you will be rewarded. Yeah. So basically for tonight, we will start sending rewards to all wallets. So maybe somebody will get some nice surprise by tomorrow. Yeah. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. On the Wednesday, we will go to the live trading, we will go to the affiliate, and we will have $100,000 into the trading. So basically from that moment, I will also start trading with bigger positions. So I think I'll put maybe 10K or even more live into the TMX, and then we will start trading 50,000, 60, $70,000 and bigger trades, bigger swing ups. So as I said, it will be much more fun. So you will see maybe how I lose $5,000 and then win, I don't know, $4,000. So it will be really, really a lot of the fun. And as I said, from now, when we open the affiliate, a lot of the new guys will start coming. So you will start see bigger positions, even more traders will start coming, even more new wallets. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. Lot of the new stuff is coming. And as I said, if you have your communities, be ready for the Wednesday. We will open the affiliates, so you will be able to connect all the guys up. Also for the next week, we will open the limit orders and a lot of the new stuff is coming. So basically, I'm not stop working until the Christmas. Maybe it will take day or two and then coming back. Yeah. So as I said, we are developing, we are unlocking all the time. So we will be working for the coming weeks. So as I said, guys, be ready, be prepared. I think when we finish this trading tournament and when we unlock $100,000 in affiliate, we will go even with even bigger tournament with I think at least $10,000 and even more. So basically, we will try to catch up as many new guys, new traders, and as I said, it will be really really exciting. You will see with $100,000 how much people can win and how much people can lose. But I can assure you, 90% of traders will lose the money. So as I said now market is looking really, really bad, and every push up is always going even lower. So, as I said, this is the last step before they take all this liquidity up. And from this moment, I think, yeah, we will see some better results and better views for all of us. And as I said, don't be tricked up. They will wait to all of you guys go to vacation and this kind of stuff, and then they will pump the market like this summer. Yeah. So this summer they pumped the market when everybody was out. Yeah. So basically this was really, really crazy. And this was our great moment because at that moment we already have prepared our Ethereums to be sell off and to take all this profit out. Yeah. So as I said, sometimes you can use these positions. So please guys now stack your TMX. If you can buy them more, they're still extra cheap. And basically when we see next push up, price will be really crazy. And then during this time, we will have even more traders, more guys coming, more fees, more everything. So as I said, we are preparing all this coming together. So perfect storm is just around the corner. So yeah, guys, if you have to add up something, you can jump now.
Yeah, I see some questions, Jake. Yeah, so like basically Aiden and Jerry asking the questions. So like about the indicators that had been set on the charts, and basically when you disconnect or reconnect your wallet, so like it's gone, maybe it's possible to fix. Also about the take profit and the stop losses. Yeah, so like once that gonna be add up. Yeah, and what's the time frame for the exchange to be fully unlocked and all features running. So like that's the questions which I see in the chat right now.
Yeah, so basically by the end of the year, I think we will unlock everything, maybe first or second week or first month, but I think yeah, we will unlock everything. So basically we are just going step by step, but we are close to this. So basically we just want to be sure with everything, with the trades, with all stuff set up, and then we will go with V2 version. So basically, single trading asset and a lot of the new updates. So as I said, guys, this is huge project. Yeah. So this is huge project. So this is why we have a lot of the stuff already done, and we are just unlocking them. But I think yeah, this could last maybe a few more weeks until everything is reached, everything is working, and then we will have, let's say, this period of the time and we will set up for the new trades, new sets, and then we will also unlock new add-ups, new stuff, maybe even new project. Yeah. So as I said, guys, TMX is never sleeping. We are always building, we are always adding something new, and we have so much ideas behind. So as I said, be ready, be prepared for the next thing up. And for this take profit stop loss, all this I think most of them will come next week. And basically with that, we will have all this trading in full, and we will I think unlock unlimited trading. Yeah, maybe some limitation, 200, 300, $500,000. We'll see about liquidity, but yeah, the trading will be mostly then unlocked and available for all of you guys to trade into the bigger positions. So as I said, as bigger you can trade, as bigger you can lose. Yeah. So as I said, from my experience, I see people start using 20x, 50x leverage, 30x, and this is how they lose money. But this is win for TMX. Yeah. This is how we get even more money, even more trading for us. And as I said, from the next year, there will be a lot of restrictions in Europe. So we are preparing for this to bring even more people from the Europe, from the traders. So you will see really, really big spike into the DEXs. So a lot of the new people will start coming back, and people will quit from the Binance, from the BINGX and all of these exchanges, Bybit, and they will start searching for some solution into the DEX, decentralized exchanges, and we will be one of them. So as I said, guys, be ready. A lot of the stuff is happening, and we will put it down.
Yeah, Jake, and also yeah, the question because everyone is asking about the altcoin season. So like, what do you think? It will gonna happen? Because people ask, like we're not growing fast. Like we will grow fast, guys, but also the crypto market must to go up. Yeah. So like,
Yeah,
Jake,
yeah.
what is your thought? Maybe we're gonna have new all-time high soon. Yeah, like maybe not this year, maybe next year, or we're gonna go to the bear market. What is your thoughts?
Yeah, so I think we will have new high. 2026 will be a really good year because there will be lower interest rates in USA, more new money, and I hope some bad stuff will stop coming from the market. And as I said, Trump is preparing everything, yeah, to make America great again and push into the bigger liquidity into the his own government and the market. So as I said, they are preparing for this, and this is what they are selling now. They're selling before the end of the year so they can buy cheaper, they can build their positions, and then they will take the profit all the way up during 2026. Yeah. So basically, from the guys who ask why we are not growing even faster, guys, we grow from $2.2 to $22. Yeah. This is 10x. This is 1000% up. Yeah. So I don't show me one coin, yeah, who go 1000% in last 2 or 3 months. I don't know. I will give you $500. Yeah. So basically, this is crazy. Yeah. But as I said, we will grow even bigger. So I know we will. But as I said, we have really bad luck that we launched at the day when everything was dropping. Yeah. So we will go with the next thing up, and all these last 2 months are always dropping, dropping, dropping. But yeah, as I said, we are prepared now. We have our own exchange. We are unlocking a lot of the stuff. We are bringing all this stuff together. So when the market pump, we will have already ready product with lot of the trades, lot of the fees, lot of everything. So as I said, guys, then your tokens will value really, really fast, really high, and we are looking up to go also with big exchange, with some cooperation, with big crypto products. So we will have all this infrastructure coming to us. So as I said, guys, we are preparing for the big swing. But if you want to take profit from this big push up on the market, you will need to have ready product and you will need to have ready community. Bring all this to the new people. So as I said, this is the best time now to prepare because we are still selling. But from this moment, we will go really high and we will. I will announce into the Telegram, yeah, who is the winners and share their wallets. I give you 30 minutes more, guys. Yeah, to just close if you have any opening trades. And please, yeah, be ready for the next push up. And as I said, Wednesday, lot of the news, lot of the stuff, and I think I will make some live trades with some big trades, big positions. So it will be really, really, really exciting. Yeah. So as I
Um,
said, guys, yeah,
maybe Brian, David, maybe you want to add something, guys.
What's going on? No, great Zoom. Exciting. Got wrecked on trades. Just got to deal with it. I'm just gonna hang on. Hopefully it doesn't go all the way down and liquidate those, but it kind of looks like they are. So obviously I'm not in the trading competition because I'm not closing my trades. So if somebody's asking, should I close my trades? It's completely up to you. If you want to be in the competition, it looks like the top person might win with the positive, the rest might win with negative if they close their trades. And that's how it goes. Is hoping for a nice pump up today to close, but it just pumped straight down. It was not a false move Monday. It was just straight up, straight down Monday, I guess. But no, good. It's really exciting to get the referral link. I mean, I get the same question, Jake. There's just not much going on. Like, there's a lot going on. Guys, we're testing the exchange. You're compounding the crap out of your TMX right now to earn more TMX tokens. Most businesses, I don't know, maybe you can tell me that maybe one business has ever opened their doors and a month later is just fully functional and super amazing and all that. But really, give it some time. You're seeing growth. You're seeing constantly how TMX and what Jake and those guys are doing to make this better. This isn't your normal thing where it's like, oh, well, let's start selling to recoup my initial deposit. Guys, stake that because that's going to make you so much more money down the road. So I'm compounding as much as I can to get as much. I'm over 1,000 escrow TMX at this point, which is awesome. Just earned from the exchange. Wait till that blows up in price. I mean, even right now, that's like 15 grand in extra TMX that I've earned, 16 grand. But besides that, like if you're wondering how to make this successful, share it, introduce people to it, bring people into the conversation, add them to the groups, invite them to the Zooms. Don't just sit around and say, when's this going to happen? When's this going to happen? Make it happen. That's how you get stuff done. You don't just sit around and twiddle your thumbs and say, man, I hope this works. I hope this works. Help us make this work. That's what we're doing. We're doing something for ourselves to make it work, and we brought everybody else in to help make it work too. And if you are sitting on the sidelines, just sit there, I guess. You know what I mean? Just compound your TMX. But if you want to make this work even better, bring in some people, invite them to the Zooms, invite them to the X page, invite them to the Discord, to the Telegram. And I mean, Nicholas is doing a phenomenal job with the Discord too, guys. You know, so like become part of that. Obviously, don't talk to anybody outside of the groups. A lot of scammers are in Telegram, same way they are in Discord. Okay, so be aware. Nobody's trying to be your friend there. They're trying to take your money. So just be smart. And yeah, I'm excited for Wednesday. We get the referral links. That's what a lot of people's waiting on. And that's what we're excited to start blasting that out to get those out to everybody. You know, referral links, a lot of people won't even share this until they get a referral link. That's some people's mindset, you know, and that's okay. I get it. But you know, because I've had people say, "Hey, give me a referral link to buy your token." I'm like, "What are you talking about?" You know, I mean, you go to Uniswap or go to MEXC. Like, wow, are you sure you're in crypto? But you know, so that's what I have. What's up, David? Are you able to hop on it all?
Yeah, no, I mean, talk about sitting on the sidelines, man. Just like you mentioned, I had a few people I just spoke with a couple days ago. They've been sitting on the sideline, and they finally bought TMX tokens. But here's the thing, guys. You guys, everybody in this community right now, you guys are the small community TMX family. What, like Jake said, where else can you go from $2.20 shooting up to $22, earning that 1000x? And this is just the beginning, guys. This is something where Brian just said it. There's so much value. You got Discord, you got Telegram, you got weekly Zoom calls. You could plug in people, and you know, I have people reach out to me and ask me question after question after question, and I'm like, jump on the Zoom calls, watch the replays. So you guys gotta understand that where we're at right now, there's a lot of people looking back and saying, I wish I would have, and I wish I could have, but they never did. And the thing is this, it's still early. They didn't miss the boat. The price that you see right now, this is the time to keep accumulating, keep buying TMX tokens, keep compounding. And you don't, you know, the ones, you know, if you compound and accumulate, you know, just like Brian said, you know, there's going to come a time later on that you could live off of it and just, you know, but right now is the time that we're not going to see again, guys. And everybody that I personally know is just compounding, accumulating as much TMX tokens as we can and buying. And that's it. Every time, every chance you get, just keep buying. But it's just a great time right now. Like Jake said and Brian said, the affiliate links are coming out. So if you want to share it out with people, just get them on the Zoom calls, bring them on. At least they'll get the understanding of how TMX works. But it's very, very simple, very straightforward. And it's a lot of excitement right now. But you guys, this is just the beginning. 2026 is going to be so much more exciting than this year. So just keep on buying, keep on sharing, and I'll send it back to you guys.
Yeah, thanks Dave, thanks Brian. So yeah, Jake, so like how many minutes? We have 30 minutes, so guys need to close.
Yeah. Let's close in 30 minutes, and yeah, I see them dropping is continuous. So I hope it will stop in next 30 minutes. So yeah, as I said, guys, if you have any profits, take it. If you have losses, I don't know, calculate, maybe hold it until next week. Yeah, and maybe build your additional position. But yeah, as I said, don't waste this opportunity. This is big opportunity, huge opportunity, and let's do it. Let's build it. $100,000 unlocking tomorrow. So we are making big trades. We are making big zooms. And when we open the affiliate, then yeah, you will see big guys will start coming, big trades, 3,000, 10K lose a day. Yeah, you will see a lot of the stuff. Yeah. So basically, as I said, I'm really excited. So we are waiting for all of this. So as I said, guys, please take it as you can, put your TMX into the war, get some extra TMX tokens. And as I said, when we see next rally up, I think we will see some huge win, huge push up. And basically, for all of you guys, I think this will be life changing money, life changing moment. And this is what we all wait. So thank you guys, and see you on the Wednesday.
See you guys. Thanks
Bye
everyone.
bye.